This project has been facilitated by the CAVS Community Volunteering Development Officer, Jamie Horton, and Community Connector Plus, Susan Smith, with the purpose of utilising and drawing attention to the incredible support available through the county's Men's Shed movement.
Not only is it an ideal opportunity for various community groups to support the development of the benches, it has also offered the facilitation of sheds, talking to sheds, sharing ideas and resources, and creating the space to co-produce concepts and solutions.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please have your attention?
So, Shemai, Prynhawn Dda, Croeso Pob. Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to you all. I'd just like to say a few words about the Kindness Bench, or the Kindness Bench idea, and thank the people without whom this would never have happened. Back in the spring, community funding was allocated to us, the Shed and Beyond, to support the Kindness Bench project. The Kindness Bench project fund has been provided through the Healthier West Wales Transformation Project, the West Wales Care Partnership and the Welsh Government to encourage, develop and support widespread community action, because isolation and loneliness are a matter for us all and have long-lasting impacts on our friends and neighbours. Other community bench schemes, such as the Happy to Chat benches, Friendly benches and Acts of Kindness benches, have been successful in other parts of the UK and in fact globally. They're an incredibly cost-effective way of creating connections within a micro-community, and now we hope that our Kindness Bench will encourage people to stop and share a moment with another person, an invitation to sit and chat. So, despite not having a workshop or many tools, we accepted the challenge, and over 100 man-hours later, here is our Kindness Bench, our first Kindness Bench. The pyrography work alone took Glyn 20, well I've got 25 hours here, Glyn. Took Glyn 25 hours, and a chance to thank the bench team will come in a few minutes. I would like to thank, on behalf of the Shed and the community, the Healthier West Wales Transformation Project, the West Wales Care Partnership, the Welsh Government and CAVS for their backing and the support of the project. I also need to thank Pembrey and Burry Town Council for its continued support, and especially Louise and her team, and Paul, Kevin and their teams, without whose support and hospitality we almost certainly wouldn't be unveiling a bench today. A huge thank you to the children from Pembrey Community Primary School and Glannymore for coming to read for us today. Thank you to Canon Susie for agreeing to take part, and we didn't need it, but we were going to use the church hall in case it was raining. Thank you to the Women's Shed and the team for helping out with the refreshments at the Memorial Hall, and a special thank you to Veronica for a special cake. Please come and join us at the hall after the unveiling, where there's also a display of photos and further information about the bench and the project and our shed. And finally, thank you all for coming today. Please come back and sit a while.
Pres, fel air, 4 darn punt, prif rhan, fel air yn fy llaw. Dyma allweddau I drws Star Wars yn Cinema'r Dref. 4 darn ar gegin, 2 allwedd I agor I drws. Ond pwy ydy hyn ar y palmant oed? Y llygaid prif rhan, yn wag heno fel y nos. Big issue, sir. Dim ond pint. Dim ond pint, ond dwi eisiau bod pint. Am docyn I ser. Star Wars neu big issue. Fi neu fe. Cerdded adre. Big issue yn fy llaw, ond henw bydd y Parliament ddim mor oer.
Thank you very much.
By Haley O'Connor.
I can choose to be kind each and every day. I can choose to be kind to everyone in my life.
When I am kind to others, I make the world a little brighter. When I am kind to others, I make my heart a little lighter.
So plant the seed of kindness and watch the world grow. Plant the seed of kindness and it will taste good.
That's it.